At this beauty, just got in. Transport, I asked them because they have to do a BOL, and it's bill of lading, and they basically mark any of their nicks or if there's anything wrong with the car. He gets out and he's like, God is perfect. He was like Mongolian. God is perfect. Nothing wrong. There's literally, that's an indentation for the, that's made by Porsche for the license plate. Literally no rock chips. This is just dirt, bugs. So we're gonna wash it up right now. But I mean, dude, it came in even better condition than I was hoping for. So let me see. Got your front here. And again, you're more than welcome to do a PPI. Just let me know when you have it set it up. But dude, like, I think you'd just be wasting your money. It's super, super clean. Tires are more than good. Tons of tread on them. And then the interior is just so sick with the spec too. The yellow. And you actually get a decent amount of room there too. Look at that yellow with the blue in here. Alcantara stitching. Got the buckets. I'm gonna lower those a little bit. Right here. Also kind of little bins in there. I don't know how you're gonna reach there or what would go in there, but bins for storage. They go pretty deep too. $85.02 on the odometer. Steering wheel in amazing condition all around. Probably registration paperwork for the last client. Come in here. We have the second key, which is right there. Then you got your manual, all your books, servicing books. Looks like some service records as well, which is really nice. More service records. So the guy kept all the records for us, which will help if you ever sell this car. Just really nice to have. Boom. Cup holders. Start this bad boy up. All right, where is, I forgot on this one. They're a little different. I think it's this way. Yeah. And then of course we're gonna go through the whole car, oil change, anything that we may need to do. Make sure these tires are all good. You got your traction control here. Nice. Start your lap timing if you wanted to. That's badass. So return. There we go. All right, so we'll open this up. Exhaust valves sound really good. Sheesh.